Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what happens to your money if NorthOne Bank closes your account. When a financial technology platform or business banking provider like NorthOne decides to close a customer's account, your funds do not simply disappear or become the property of the institution. Legally, the money remaining in your balance still belongs to you. However, accessing those funds immediately can become a complex administrative hurdle. Typically, if your account is closed under standard compliance reviews, terms of service updates, or general risk assessments, the institution is required to return your remaining balance. NorthOne operates through partner banks, meaning your deposits are held with an insured partner institution. When an account closure is finalized, the standard procedure involves liquidating the available balance and issuing the funds back to you. This is usually handled by mailing a physical check to your address on file or by transferring the remaining balance electronically to an alternative verified business bank account. The timeline for receiving your money varies. While some routine closures see funds returned within a few business days to a couple of weeks, compliance investigations can cause prolonged delays. If an account is flagged for suspected suspicious activity, potential fraud, or anti-money laundering compliance triggers, the partner bank has the legal right to freeze the assets while an investigation takes place. During a freeze, outgoing transfers and access to online banking portals are completely restricted, and the review process can stretch on for several weeks or months depending on the nature of the flag. Another critical factor to watch is pending transactions. Any automated clearinghouse transfers, card payments, or scheduled vendor payouts will fail or bounce once the closure goes into effect. This can result in returned payment fees from your vendors or service providers. Additionally, any incoming deposits, such as customer payments or marketplace payouts, will be rejected or returned to the sender, meaning you must immediately update your payment gateways and reroute your revenue streams to an active backup account. If you find yourself facing an unexpected account closure, the most important step is to contact customer support directly through official channels to verify the status of your funds. Request explicit details on whether a check has been issued, whether an electronic payout can be sent to an alternate business account under your legal entity name, or if the funds are being held under a compliance review. Keeping meticulous records of your invoices, transaction histories, and identification documents can expedite the verification process when dealing with frozen balances. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.